Next up on the workbench, some INCOTEX chinos. Very typical repair we see here when they're all blown out and all worn out. As you can see, it's going to start to get much worse on that side as well. So obviously they are expensive chinos. Don't get me wrong, they're a very nice fabric, they're very soft, they've got a nice feel to them, but obviously some of these more expensive fabrics do prematurely wear out in areas that have stress, such as the crotch wears out, and sometimes they wear out on the pocket edges as well now and again. But on this specific pair, it's just they're in just for a crotch blowout today, so we're going to be repairing these for the customer. We'll going to be placing some new fabric on the inside of them to reinforce the area, and then we're going to be doing a little bit of stitch work just to tidy them up. So stay tuned and I will post up the after video shortly. Thank you. Here we have all repaired in a fairly discreet manner, all reinforced around the holes. So if you've got any INCOTEX chinos or jeans to be either repaired or altered, we offer different services for them. So obviously one of the most popular repairs is the crotch repair. Then after that, I would say the other most popular services we do is we taper the leg to make them a slimmer leg. So if you find that the leg's a bit wide for you, we can slim the leg down for you and use all the proper threads and everything to put all the original finishing back. And the other, obviously the other option you've got to do is, if the hems are a bit too long for you, you can shorten them off, and again we can put all the right stitching back and everything to make them all nice and original. Also, if they're a little bit big on the waist or you've lost some weight, we can taper, we can take the waist in for you as well. Obviously put all the belt loops back and everything, so we can do that for you as well. So if you want anything doing, drop me an email. It's michael@thedenimdoctor.co.uk. All the links to the website are in the video. Obviously drop me a line, get in touch, give me a call, drop me an email if you want any work doing, and I will gladly give you a quote on any work you need doing. We have a shop in Manchester City Centre where we make all of our bespoke suits and do all the alteration and repair services. Or you can also use our postal service, which this gentleman has done for a bit of refurbishment work on his chinos and jeans. So thanks very much for watching. Have a fantastic day. I'll speak to you soon. Thank you. Bye bye.